guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna head to my brother's house. We have some more parts for the 240 that came in, and yeah, we're gonna head out right now. But before we go, I just want to say leave a like. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and like. And yeah guys, let's get into it. Let's head out.
Bruh.
Alright guys, so right now we're gonna be unboxing some rear subframe suspension parts. And here's the box. We already opened it because it had the address on it, but still gonna be an unboxing. Let's dig right into the box, take all this stuff. And it's gktech. We're not sponsored by any of these companies that we're unboxing, just parts that we really liked. So here it's 3 boxes, and yeah, that's everything in the box. Let's start with the small box, and these are the part numbers right here. They're for the 240. And in the first box we have these are solid bushings, and they also came with a little sticker on them. Cool little sticker. Okay guys, so in this box we have all the subframe stuff that I just took out. I mean the differential stuff. These are solid bushings. Here, we'll just open them real quick. And they're like solid metal. They're black and everything. So yeah, they're solid metal. So these two are the same, so I'm only gonna open one. And then we got these other ones. Damn, they're pretty heavy too. And this is what this one looks like. This is for the differential. Let's move this stuff aside. Okay, so let's put this stuff away real quick. Let's toss this in here. Just like that, and then we'll throw this away. Okay, now let's do the second biggest box. This is just polyurethane bushings. Oh wow, these are big. I remember when I got the ones for the Civic, they were like half the size of this, and basically just press them in with your hand, I'm guessing. And then yeah, there's 4 of these. This is for the subframe, and these are some plates for it. I'm guessing they go right here like that. And it also came with another sticker. Oh wow, this one's pretty cool. Some more stickers, probably some instructions on how to install it. And yeah, that's everything in this box. They all look similar. Yeah, I think they all are. But yeah, some polyurethane bushings. They're really solid. You can tell the quality is there. So that's this box. And then let's move this one aside and open the next one. Okay, this one has... Oh, I forgot to show you guys the part number. So this is the part number. I'm not sure if that is, but yeah, I think that's it. And then there's this one. This is for the subframe. And let's move all this packaging, bubbles and stuff. These are just brackets for the subframe. So these brackets are to stiffen up the subframe, and you basically weld these plates on to stiffen it. There's a bunch of like different stuff, different little brackets and stuff. Yeah, nothing really too crazy, but really will help stiffen up the suspension overall. There's some more stickers in here and probably instructions, little diagram. Yeah, there's like more plates right here to weld on it. Yeah, let's open it. Let's see what they got in here. I got this one right here. I'm not really familiar with 240 stuff, but once we start working on it, I'll probably get more familiar with it. But yeah, these two look the same. And then we got this other one. These two plates. And then got this little one. And then these two. And this. Yeah, they all came in like pairs, like each bracket, they have a pair. You can see. Yeah, so that's everything we have for today. Alright guys, that basically wraps up today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned in for the next video because we have more parts for the 240 coming in, and best believe there will be unboxing videos for those parts. And if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe and you like. And that's basically the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.